Hi class, welcome to Tuesday, April 28th. Today you just have an assignment that you're going to work on based upon the PowerPoints from yesterday. So your assignment is to make a list of different methods that you have used to communicate data from one point or another. I have a little typo in there. You should select the most effective and most reliable method for data communication from this list. So from the chapter. How do you communicate data? So, when I started going to college, we used fax machines a lot. Up until my mid-20s, we used fax machines a lot. So that was one way we communicated data from another. And fax machines used telephone lines. When I worked as an office manager in Schuylkill County at this recycling facility, I decided to every week I had to send reports to our main office in New York City. And so I said, this is ridiculous. I'm sending 20 some pages through a fax machine. And if you don't know anything about fax machines, it could say 21 out of 22 pages received, and you wouldn't know which page was not received. So it was a huge pain. So I took all the reports and made them electronic, and sent them as an email. They were thrilled. They were in Queens. They were thrilled that we were finally, coming into the 21st century with this new technology, and all I was doing was emailing the same reports. But that just shows how data has been communicated differently. Now it's rare to fax. If somebody says, well, you have to fax it to me, I pretty much laugh. Another way, when I was in high school, we didn't even have cell phones. So, I think, how did we ever know where anybody was or what anybody was doing? You just had to know each other, I guess. I remember I would be at work and my friends would come and visit me at Wise's, and it was such a shock. I didn't know they were coming. So I feel like with technology at our fingertips, literally, we don't get any surprises anymore. We've lost the feeling of, that ooh feeling, like a surprise feeling. So think about all that as you make a list. I would say how many? Maybe 5 different methods of communication. At least 3. Try for 5. All right, we'll see you again soon. Take care, stay safe, stay home, get your work done. I miss you guys. Bye.